Hi everyone, I thought I'd give you a closer look at my recent portrait of Lottie the Spaniel. Now I plan to make a couple of tutorials from this piece for my Patreon channel. Firstly, I'd like to make a tutorial showing you how to create this type of blurry background, especially when the photo reference has quite a busy background, so how to simplify that and create something that really helps the subject jump out of the picture. The main question though this week on my Patreon channel has been how to create all of these smaller marks using the big chunky pastels. So something that I want to show you is how I get from Unison's beautiful pastels in their lovely papers down to pieces like this and this, how I can use all of these different shapes to create smaller marks. So I'm afraid the main advice that I have to give you is to rip the papers off and start breaking them up and getting them dirty and used. That's the best way. So I want to show you more about that and how to create small detail using the bigger sticks. So if you haven't already and you're interested in learning these types of techniques in pastel, check out my Patreon channel. I'll be uploading fresh content there each month, and there are already 61 patrons there learning fast. So I hope I catch up with some of you over there. Thanks for watching.